So we're going to talk about the lambda functions. A lambda function is an anonymous function that can take multiple arguments within a single line, which means that it's like a simple way to define a function. So you don't need to use the def keyword. It's usually used in as a key argument in like the sorted function, which is a system function, and often it is used in functions like max, map, where the line expression is more efficient than to use the def keyword. So now, what if we had these dictionaries? We had the first dictionary A, which was for John. We have another dictionary which is for Mike. We have another dictionary which is for Jennifer. So then we put the dictionaries in a list. So we print out the list to see what is happening there. So if we print out the list, we can see that each dictionary was put in this list. What if we wanted to sort this list according to the score? So what we do, let's say we call the sorted function, then we pass in the list we want to sort, which has dictionaries. Now we want to see which key, according to which key do you want to sort it. So then we call the key, then we call it equal to lambda. So the key is supposed to be provided with a function. Now you could either define the function yourself, the crude old function, or you could use the lambda function, which is like a short form. So traditionally, what we could do here, we could do this. We could say we could use the def keyword, and then we define the function. Let's say maybe we call it g, then we say it takes in we call it g, it takes in x. Then after that, we can say if it takes in x, what it should return. It should return let's call it x, then we should say score. Let's say score. I'm spelling it wrongly. Score. So now this would be the function g, which we would pass here. We would pass that function here. But it's wasting space. Instead of doing all this, what we could do, we could just call lambda. Then we say let the variable be x. Then what it should return is x score. So this one will sort this list of dictionaries according to the score of each dictionary. So after that, when we print out the students again, we're going to see that it has sorted them in according to ascending order: 50, 70, and 98. So that is how you could use lambdas. It's like a short form of a function. It's usually used in different types of functions that need you to pass in a function. So instead of writing a whole function, if the function is short, you would use the lambda function.